friends, today I'm gonna show you how to make a bird structure and its beak very simply. So please watch the video till end and please like, subscribe, share and comment our channel to watch more videos like this video. So let's start. First we have to take a paper of square shape. Then we have to fold it like this way. Then you can see here the crease. You can see here the crease. We have to fold it like this. Now we have to make a crease here also. So we will fold it. We will fold it like this way and make a fold here also, so as to know the half of it. In this way you will. Now it has been folded, so we have made a crease here, as you can see. Now by this crease we have made to know that from where we have to fold. We have to fold it like this from the crease, and from this point we have to fold it like this. Okay, we have to do from here also, this only. Now this will also become like this. Yes, now this has been made. Now we have to do it parallel. We have to fold it from here, from this way, in this way, and make a parallel line like this. This and this also. We have to do it from here also, so that these all will be equal. Okay, yes, like this. Now it has been made. Okay, now you can see that there are two layers. From the open side there are two layers, so we will just do it like this. We will take this layer and fold it like this, and we will put it like this on the top. Now it has become like this, so this will become the beak of the bird. Okay, now it will become like this, Now we have to fold it from here. To fold it from here we will fold it from here. Now we have to make a crease, because the bird's beak is having crease on it, so we will make a crease here, like cross like crease, so that we can make the shape of the beak of the bird very easily. We have made here, and so as it will become like this. Okay, like this. Fold it like this. Give a shape to this. We will do like this in this also. We will give a shape to this one also, like that only. This cross, this, and this one also. So we have given shape to this also. We will do like this and give shape to this also, and we will handle it like this and make a beak like structure here also. So now I have given a beak like structure to these both. Now I will simply handle it like, first I will give shape to this. This has been roughly, so I will correct it. Make a pointed beak also. Point it like this, and now I will fold it from here. Now this is our beak. It is opening and closing beak. Now you can see our whirly bird has been made. Closed beak, open beak, like this. You can decorate it with